came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Tejasvi is doing very well in Bihar and so on.
Oh, yes.
So
Tejasvi did very well in Bihar. Anand Ranganathan, please be my guest. Vivek Srivastava and his facts. I need your version of the facts, against Vivek Srivastava's version of the facts.
No, look, let's be very clear, Navika. Good evening, first of all, to you and to my fellow panelists. Vivek is as far removed from facts as Delhi is from Venezuela. But the fact of the matter is, this is a moment of acute crisis. I really mean it. Not for the Congress, but for the BJP. You don't believe me? BJP is going to lose at least 50 or 60 seats because for the first time, Manish Shankar Iyer has not criticized Modi but criticized Rahul. अरे संभालो उसको, शहजाद कुछ बोलो यार. जब वो मोदी को क्रिटिसाइज करते थे 50 सीट मिलती थी, अब क्या होगा? Please tell him. Look, Navika, this is the dynasty slaves tryst with destiny. To paraphrase, a moment comes which comes rarely in history when the soul of a congressman long suppressed finds utterance. This is that moment. Look, let me illustrate the damage. And Manish Shankar is absolutely right. The Rahulian or the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty scion has inflicted. While Rahul says poverty is a state of mind, Modi has pulled 270 million Indian minds out of poverty. While Rahul goes around claiming India is a dead economy, Modi provides 120 million toilets, 100 million gas connections, 40 million homes, 380 million health insurance cards, 110 million tap water connections. And Rahul should be thanking Modi for taking care of his dynasty bastions of Amethi and Raebareli. Because a lot of these welfare benefits have gone to these pocket boroughs that were languishing at the bottom during the time they were ruled by the dynasty. Here are the last census indices of Amethi and Raebareli, just 20 seconds. The Nehru-Gandhi dynasty passive 60 years. Literacy rate 69%. Households with electricity 37.2%. Households with tap water 17%. Households without toilet 82%. Vaccinated children 51%. Child anemia prevalence 76%. Neonatal deaths 43 per thousand.
अरे भैया इसका बिच्छू से लेना देना क्या है? What about the army of bichus?
Navika, this is what the dynasty reduced Amethi and Raebareli to, and even today 33%. अरे सुन लो अश्विनी जी, सुन लो, अभी आपका नंबर भी है. ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी नहीं रही, ग्रैंड ओल्ड मेन है जो कि बगावत कर रहे हैं. आप अभी ग्रैंड ओल्ड हो नहीं. और सुन लो फैलाने से नहीं बनोगे. कौन सा झूठ फैला दिया भाई? झूठ तो आपका वो फैला रहा है राहुल गांधी, दिन रात जो बोल रहा है डेड इकोनॉमी है. सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी अभी चल रही है हमारी.
सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी बीजेपी में है कि नहीं है? यस और नो?
अरे
सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी बीजेपी में है कि नहीं है? यस और नो?
अरे मनीष शंकर अय्यर है कि कांग्रेस में?
स्वामी बीजेपी में है कि नहीं है? यस और नो? जस्ट बताइए यस और नो.
हाँ है.
आप पहले बताइए सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी बीजेपी में है? यस और नो? उन्होंने मोदी जी को कोट एंड कोट वुमनाइजर कहा. यस और नो?
I don't know.
Why you have a
Maybe you are right. I don't know what he said.
You are an intelligent, educated person.
All your life you have made Hussain Dalwai, Rashid Alvi, Manish Shankar Iyer, the Congress's poster boys. Suddenly, when they come out with a fact sheet, you are running helter-skelter.